Hello students, once again welcome you all to Narayana live class. Today also we are going to discuss the assignment solution 26th Theatre mathematics subject. Chapter we are discussing is knowing our numbers, in the topic estimation of the values. Here we are going to discuss about estimation of difference. In the previous worksheet we have discussed about addition problems, estimation and addition. Now we are going to discuss the difference. Okay. So already I told you here the smallest number is in 400, hundreds place. So you have to round off to hundreds. Round off to hundreds. What you will get? 5673. If you are rounding off to 100 means how much you will get? 73 is greater than 50. You will get 5700. Similarly, 436 if you are rounding off means 36 is less than 50, so you will get 0, so 400. Now estimated difference. Estimated difference is equal to, which is nothing but 5700 minus 400. How much you will get? 7 minus 4 it is 3. The answer is 5300. I hope it is clear, students. Okay students, now we will discuss a solution for second problem. Estimate the use of the following in general rule, same as the first subdivision I am taking. 796 314. 796 minus 314. So it is a hundreds place, which we will round off to nearest 100. So if you round off 796, how much you will get? 96 is greater than 50, so it will become 800. Similarly 314, 14 is less than, okay, 14 is less than 50, so it will become 300. So if you subtract, what you will get? 0, 0, 8 minus 3 it is 5. So the answer, estimated difference is 500. Similarly, second subdivision, 28,292 minus 21,496. This problem we have seen addition also, same as that. Round off to nearest 1000. So if you rounding off 28,292 to nearest 1000 means ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. So this value is less than 500. Less than 500 means it will become 28,000. Next this value 21,496. 496 also less than 500 only. So it will become 21,000. So if you subtract 0, 0, 0, 8 minus 1 it is 7, 2 minus 2 it is 0. The estimated difference is 7,000. Okay students, is it clear? Now we will discuss the solution for third problem. Give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. So both you have to do. First we will round off to nearest 100. So if you round off, what you will get? 1,08,734. So if I want to round off to nearest 100 means you should check the tens place. 34. It is less than 50. Less than 50 means you have to round off to nearest to 0 only. So you get 700. Similarly, 47,599. If you round off to nearest 100 means 599 is greater than 500. It will become 47,600. And find the difference between them. 0, 0, 7 minus 6 it is 1. Again 8 minus 7 it is 1. 10 minus 4 it is 6. The answer is 61,100. Similarly the same we have to round off to tens. Round off to nearest tens. Same value you are going to round off to nearest 10. So 1,08,734. So rounding off to nearest 10, what you will get? In tens ones place it is 4, it is less than 5, it will become 1,08,730. 1,08,730. Then 47,599. If you round off this 9, it will become 10. Again, it will add up. It will become the same 47,600. So kindly now we subtract. You get 0, 3, 1, 1, 6. So answer is 61,130. Okay, so now we'll discuss second subdivision. Same as that we have to round off to first nearest hundreds. So 8,325 nearest 100. Since it is a 25, it is less than 50. The nearest 100 will become 8,300. I hope you all know this, students. Next to 491. Here this 91 is greater than 50, so it will become, what will be the nearest 100? 500. So if you subtract, what you will get? 0, 0, 13 minus 5, you will get 8 and 7. The answer is 7,800. Similarly, we have to round up to nearest 10 also. 8,325. So round up to nearest 10. Okay, ones place you see exactly 5 also you should consider as next value only. So it will become 8,330. Next to 491. Since it is a 1, it is less than 5, it will become 490. So we will simplify this, subtract 0, 13 minus 9 will get 4, again 12 minus 4 it is 8 and it will become 7, 7,840. So now we will discuss third subdivision. Same, first we are going to round up to nearest 100, 8,765. 65 is greater than 50, so it will round up to 8,700 become 800. Similarly, 3,820. If you round up to nearest 100 means 20 is less than 50, so it will become 3,800. So if you subtract 0, 0, 0, 8 minus 3 it is 5. So the answer is 5,000. Now we are rounding up to nearest 10. 8,765. So since it is 5 also we will round up to the nearest 10 only. 8,760 will become 70. 8,770. Next value is 3,820. Already it is nearest 0 only. So 3,820. If you subtract 0, 5, 7 minus 2, 5. 70 minus 8 it is 9, 7 minus 3 it is 5, you will get 5,950. So here it is, after carry over 7 minus 3 it is 4, it is 4,950. So round up to nearest 100 they are used to call as rough estimate. It's round up to nearest 100. Closer estimate is called as round up to nearest 10. Okay students. Now we will discuss fourth subdivision system. 8,265 will round off to nearest 100. So 65 is greater than 50, it will become 8,300. Then 6,653. Here also 53 is greater than 50, it will become 6,700. So if you subtract, you will get 0, 0. 13 minus 7 it is 6 and 7 minus 6 it is 1. So the answer is 1,600. Similarly, if you are rounding up to 10 cents, 8,265. So 5 also we should consider as rounding up nearest tens only. You will get 8,270. Then 6,653. Here it is less than 5, so it will round up to 0. 6,650. If you subtract, you will get 0, 2, 12 minus 6 it is 6 and you can get 1,620. So in your worksheet, I think question has been mistake. Kindly check it out. Now discuss last problem, last subdivision. So 4,89,000 348. We have to round off to nearest 100. So check the two digits. 48. It is less than 50. So you round off that 4,89,300. Okay. Next one is 48,365. Next last two digits if you are checking means 65. It is greater than 50. So you will get 48,400. 48,400. So now if you subtract, what you will get? 0, 0. 13 minus 4 it is 9. 8 minus 8 it is 0. 4, 4. So 4,40,900. Similarly round off to nearest 10. 4,89,348. If you round off to nearest 10, you take only one place. Greater than 5, so it will become 4,89,350. Okay. Next value is 48,365. Here also one place is 5. It is 5 also. You have to round up nearest 10 only. 48,370. If you subtract 0, 15 minus 7 it is 8. Again 12 minus 3 it is 9. 8 minus 8 is 0, 4, 4. 4,40,980. Okay students, thank you.